How to zoom out on Gmail screen. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can zoom out on our Gmail screen, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're on gmail.com and then you want to basically zoom and then view something because maybe it's not readable to you. Now in this case what you can actually try to do is you can simply try to go ahead depending upon what you're using, because if you're using mobile you can simply zoom by pinching in, but if you're using laptop there are two ways. One is that you can just click on the three dots option from the top right, then just go to zoom and start zooming like this. But if you don't want to go there, you can also do it using shortcut by pressing Control on your keyboard and scrolling the mouse wheel right here. So if you scroll it to the maximum, you can see 500 is the maximum. If you want to make it to the minimum, depending upon just what you want to do, you can go ahead and then zoom them. So Control plus mouse wheel. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.